Folks, this is a short introduction on how we're going to be able to build web pages from scratch and include an interactive site and menus and different things. And this is just a taste of what's to come from I Like Philly. And just want to say thanks to everyone who helped me, and I appreciate that. Maybe the wins. But when we go to 476 here, we did the first page. And the first page is going to be McDade ramp. So we click that one and we'll go to McDade. So we've got this McDade going here, and that's all we got done really. We'd like to hook up this one here, the Germantown Pike. It says if I right click and open in a new window, which it won't, it will open the same window. If we go ahead and just click that button. We're going to open this up. This is the Germantown Pike, which is not set up on the cam yet, and that's where we're at. So we're going to hook all these cams up before we actually go ahead. It's another step, but we're going to get this right, and then we'll be able to fly through these buttons here. And then, but when we fly through the buttons, we're going to be doing over 100 pages. So we're going to do 100 pages, over 100 pages on individual cam pages, which will be able to get hits. And then, in addition to that, we'll show you how Google Analytics can file that and add this. And then, by using these, using the same content inside the page, you copied it, basically put it right here. Now it's connected again, but ramp for Germantown Pike. And as you can see, it's refreshing every 5 seconds. So it's a pretty good system. And if you want to go ahead and look at the traffic, you'll be able to do that. And when it's live, the share button will work just perfect. So we're moving on like 3.5 minutes now, but we're going to go ahead and do this, and how I'm going to do it and show you. I'm going to file save all, and I'm going to start at 476 since it's the first one, and I'm going to start on the index page. I'm going to head right into this, and McDade Boulevard. Then I'm going to pull up McDade Boulevard and just look for it. McDade, I'm looking for a ramp there. And that's the ramp, and that's the exit. So the ramp and the exit. So we're at the ramp, okay. And we'll exit out of this one here. So we just got the ramp going and the index page. So go to the index page, grab this ramp here, and it'll take a second because I'm still running Camtasia. She's doing a fine job of coding all day. So you right click and copy that code, and then come back into McDade Boulevard and just copy this code here right now to iframe. So paste it right in there. So, well, you see how we do it. And it's not that hard, and the cam looks good. And we're going to do all the rest of them. And the next one you just do right in order. And I got a list here. So if I want to get on the list and check them off as I go, I might as well do it. And the next one is the exit. So we're going to grab the code for the exit and just get into a groove. And McDade Boulevard exit it should be, and just click on that one and just scroll down. I always do it. Hit there, and once you scroll in there, you paste it in there, and don't save them quite yet. We'll do a few of them in a row, and we'll see we'll get rolling. So the next one here, and it go right down the line if I look at my list. So it'll be real easy. We're looking for Bull and Lane, and Bull and Lane will be next. Just grab the Bull and Lane code and right click it and copy it. And you see we didn't write much code at all, we did all these. And we're going to go into Bull and Lane, we're going to look for B, Bull and Lane, and pick that up and go down here and copy it and paste it. And we'll copy, just highlight it, highlight the frame, and paste it right in there. Right click, copy, paste. And next we're going to go down to set the rail line, and we'll pull up SEPTA if we've done it first. Set the rail line, which you seen was a pain earlier. We had a good look for Google and all. I'm going to click right here, and we're going to paste it right here. We're going to find it. Set the rail line right here, and we know that link's working just fine. Check those links over and over again, and then we're going to go to set the rail line, and it's already highlighted because I highlighted. Paste it right in there. I'm going to move us south of Plush Mill Road, so I'm going to go right down to this. South of this Plush Mill. There it is. And south of Plush Mill Road, and everything looks good. And we're just going to get this here and scroll down a little bit, highlight it, and come over to the index page again. If I'm in the index page, I might have to go back a little bit. And at this point, I have so many pages open, I'm going to save my work after this one. So, we're looking for the Plush Mill Road. So, got my finger on it, and there it is. And I right click and copy, and it's real simple. Just hop back into Plush Mill Road, and that easy way to get back. It's just, if you can remember, it's south of Plush Mill, right before Ridgepike. So, and it's highlighted. I highlighted it earlier, and right click and paste. So what we do is we're going to click back in there so we don't move anything, and save all. And at this point, we're going to just draw a line, and we're up the Baltimore Pike. So we'll save all and close all. So close all be easier. And then just open up the index page again and start from scratch. So as simple as that. And we're going to have all these done maybe by 10 minutes. So I doubt it, but I'm going to finish them all up real quick for you. And we got like, I don't know, maybe 15, 20, maybe 30 of them. So we got a few to go. I'm going to get them all wrapped up, and not only these, but I'm going to go ahead and wind up getting those out for just a second. The I-76s, and get all them done. And going to come back and close this up and get the I-95s. And you can see where we're going with this. I mean, there's an awful lot here going on. And I learned all this from scratch. I learned it on YouTube, and it's all free, and I'm giving it out for free. There's no profit made in this. I don't make any money off ads and nothing like that. But it's just going to be a really good interactive website, and tell your friends about it. And we got traffic, we got weather, we got news, and all that kinds of stuff. So we're going to finish up these pages, and then right after that, folks, we're going to look for the big carousel. We're going to spin around here, and you're going to be able to jump around from cam to cam,